Guys, just a quick video. I look really bad. I've just taken my helmet off. I'm just going back on the cable car, back to the top. Had a good ski today, a couple of black runs, been really good. So still a little bit dehydrated, but I'm now back in full swing of things. So I've kept up with my mobility, flexibility in the mornings, done my stretches. Hopefully we'll do a video soon of one of the best stretches to do. Best stretch in the world to do, so I'll do that video. Just going past a pylon there, it's a bit wobbly. So, well, I'm looking in the right state because I've got a helmet here, but yeah, so good day and all, couple more days left. You can see just below me there's the LMZ. Been snowing today, so it's been a good day. It's been on and off, fat light, bit of sunlight. It's been actually almost a perfect day with snow and skiing. So I'm almost at the top now. So I shall see you guys on another video. Take care.